Today start new chapter, chapter number 1, set, class 11th. This is very important chapter, chapter number 1. So set is related to so many chapters. Chapter set using in chapter 2, relation function is also. So first of all discuss what is the set. So what is set means? Set means settlement, means well-defined object. Set is also defined, well-defined objects. Means a definition of the set is defined. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Means well-defined means not misguided. If any data are given is correct, suppose the set of total number of students, the set of total number of students of in class 11th, it is defined, means total number of students in class 11th A1, suppose 45. The total number of students in our school, suppose 400 students, means the data is actually corrected, is also denoted the set. A set is well defined collection of objects. Set are always denoted by capital letter. Means set is also denoted by capital letter, means capital A, capital B, capital C, and its element denoted by small letter, small a, b, c. So suppose for example set is also denoted by capital A is equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is denoted by element and A is denoted by set. So suppose read set A and 1 to 4 is element. Element means number. Or this bracket is also using curly bracket. Means its element is also denoted by curly bracket. Set में जो भी एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उन सारे एलिमेंट्स को किसमें डिनोट करते हैं? करली ब्रैकेट्स में. एंड द एलिमेंट ऑफ 1 बिलोंग्स टू सेट ए. इसको पढ़ेंगे belongs to A. Means 1 belongs to A, 2 is also belongs to A, 3 is also belongs to A. Suppose बेटा देखो 1 सेट A में है, 2 भी सेट A में, 3 भी सेट A में, and 4 is also belongs to A. Suppose 5 is belongs to A, not. तो पढ़ेंगे 5 is not belongs to A. Means the element of 5 is not belongs to set A. Next, some symbol are using in this set. Suppose capital N. So capital N is also denoted by set of all natural numbers. मतलब capital N is also defined the set of all natural numbers. All natural number means 1, 2, such that 1, 2, 3, 4 dot infinite. Next, W, set of all whole numbers. Whole number is also starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot infinite. Next, I, हम कह सकते हैं the set of all integers numbers. Integer number is also denoted by 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. Means again, what is the set? Set means a set is well defined collection of object. Collection of object. Set is also denoted by capital letter and its element or object is also denoted by small letters. Suppose capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. तो पढ़ेंगे इसको बेटा set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 is denoted by element in curly bracket. अब 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to 3, 3 belongs to 4, 4 belongs to A, but 5 is not belongs to A. Means the element of 5, the number is 5 is not belongs to set A. Written. set A is equal to x such that x belongs to integer and -3 greater than x less than 5. Okay. Show the number line. This set represent the number line. So suppose represent the number line. So x belongs to integer beta na. So x is also belongs to integer. The number line is denoted 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The number is also lying between this and this. So this number is written in the roster form. Roster form. So set A is defined -3 to -4. So -3 to -4 means -3 is not included and 5 is not included. लाइन बिटवीन मतलब -3 और 5 के बीच में x को रिप्रेजेंट करना है. तो क्या लिखेंगे? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So same condition. This form is also known as set builder form and this form is also known as roster form. तो हेडी डालेंगे बेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेट. रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेट. तो लिखेंगे मेथड टू रिप्रेजेंट सेट्स. मेथड टू represent set. So the first method is also defined set roster form or tabular form. The first form, मेथड ऑफ रिप्रेजेंट सेट मतलब सेट को हम कितनी तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. तो द फर्स्ट मेथड इज रोस्टर फॉर्म और टेबुलर फॉर्म. नंबर 2 सेकेंड सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. अब व्हाट इज द रोस्टर फॉर्म एंड सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म? फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज the example is given. Suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this type of representation, suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is defined the separately element form and denoted the comma of each element. तो अगर किसी एलिमेंट को कॉमा में और कर्ली ब्रैकेट में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं एलिमेंट के फॉर्म में, इस टाइप के फॉर्म हमारे रोस्टर फॉर्म कहलाते हैं. सपोज दिस फॉर्म इज कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. तो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, लिखेंगे x सच दैट x बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर एंड x greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 5. तो सेट A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. इसको 1, 2, 3, 4 is also denoted the roster form and set builder form denoted x such that x belongs to natural number and x greater than 0, less than or equal to 5. So this form is also known as set builder form or this form is also known as roster form. First example. Number 2. Suppose another question is given. Set B is equal to given x square plus 1 such that x belongs to natural number and the value of x greater than 1, less than 5. Suppose. So this form is also denoted the beta as set B is equal to x square plus 1 such that x belongs to natural number. The number is lying between 5 to 1. So this form is also known as set builder form or represent the roster form. Convert लिखेंगे सेट बी इक्वल टू रोस्टर फॉर्म मीन्स द पॉसिबल वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 2, 3, 4 पुट करेंगे इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1, एक्स बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स greater than 1 less than 5. This question given in the form of set builder form, convert in the form of roster form. तो roster form में convert करेंगे. The possible value is x 2, 3, 4. तो 2, 3, 4 put in equation. X is equal to 2, 2, 2 जा 4 plus 1 5. Next 3, 3 जा 9 plus 1 10. 4, 4 जा 16 plus 1 17. तो 5, 10, 17 in the form of roster form or this question in the form of set builder form. Next example. Suppose example number 3. The question is given set C is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. The given question in the form of 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. All the number in the form of rational number form and represent in the form of curly bracket. Convert the set builder form. तो set builder form convert. Write in the question set B is equal to क्या रिटर्न करेंगे बेटा set B is equal to n upon n plus 1. Suppose n upon n plus 1 such that n belongs to natural number and this natural number lying between greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 6. The possible value of n means n upon n plus 1 denoted by set builder form and the value of n is equal to n greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 5. So retain all of you. Next video, next lecture we are defined the next video type of sets. Type of sets. So first exercise 1.1 that means chapter 1 set exercise 1.1 is only defined what is the set and representation of the set, roster and set builder form. So all the students complete the exercise 1.1 related to this topic. Okay.